Plant FAQs, Distylium Blue Cascade. My enduring love affair with the Blue Cascade Distylium. As a passionate gardener, I'm always on the lookout for low-maintenance, visually stunning plants that can thrive in my garden. That's how I stumbled upon the Distylium Blue Cascade, and let me tell you, it's been a love affair ever since. This cascading evergreen shrub has become a star player in my garden, adding a touch of elegance and year-round vibrancy. This article is my ode to the Blue Cascade Distylium, sharing all the knowledge I've gathered about planting, caring for, and incorporating this beauty into your landscape. Blue Cascade versus Vintage Jade Distylium. I've grown Blue Cascade Distylium and found it to be a bit more compact and dense than Vintage Jade Distylium, which has a more open, airy look that I personally prefer for adding a lighter feel to the garden. Planting your Blue Cascade Distylium for success. The first step to a thriving Distylium Blue Cascade is choosing the right spot for planting. This shrub prefers full sun to partial shade, with well-drained soil. Avoid soggy areas, as they can lead to root rot. How far apart to plant Blue Cascade Distylium? When planting multiple Distylium Blue Cascade, proper spacing is crucial for optimal growth and aesthetics. Aim for a distance of 3 to 5 feet between each shrub. This allows them enough room to mature gracefully without overcrowding. Here's a quick guide to planting your Distylium Blue Cascade. Dig a hole twice the diameter of the root ball. Loosen the soil around the edges of the hole to encourage root development. Gently remove the plant from its container and tease out any circling roots. Position the plant in the hole so that the root ball sits level with the surrounding soil. Backfill the hole with the loosened soil and tamp it down gently to remove air pockets. Water the plant thoroughly to settle the soil. How to care for Blue Cascade Distylium. The beauty of the Distylium Blue Cascade lies in its low-maintenance nature. Here's what you need to know. Watering. Once established, your Blue Cascade Distylium is quite drought-tolerant. Regular watering, especially during hot, dry spells, is beneficial. However, avoid overwatering. Fertilizing. A light application of balanced fertilizer in early spring can give your Blue Cascade Distylium a growth boost. However, it's not essential for healthy growth. Mulching. Apply a 2 to 3 inch layer of mulch around the base of your plant to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. How to prune Blue Cascade Distylium. Optional, but rewarding. The Distylium Blue Cascade boasts a naturally cascading growth habit, so pruning is generally not required for its health. However, if you desire a more controlled shape or need to manage size, pruning is an option. The best time to prune Blue Cascade Distylium is in late spring to early summer, after flowering has finished. Here are some tips for successful pruning. Use sharp pruning shears or loppers to make clean cuts. For shaping, focus on removing leggy or outward-growing branches. Aim for a gradual thinning rather than drastic shearing. You can also prune to remove dead, diseased, or damaged branches. Remember, even with pruning, the Blue Cascade Distylium maintains its naturally cascading form. What to plant with your Blue Cascade Distylium? The Blue Cascade Distylium's versatility shines when paired with other plants. Here are some ideas for creating a visually captivating landscape. Companion shrubs. Consider low-growing shrubs with contrasting foliage for added texture. Heather, Japanese spirea, or dwarf rhododendrons could be good choices. Perennials. Introduce pops of color with vibrant perennials like daylilies, columbine, or coreopsis. Ground covers. Creeping phlox or Ajaga repens, bugleweed, can add a soft touch and suppress weeds around the base of your Blue Cascade Distylium. Conclusion. The undeniable charm of the Blue Cascade Distylium. The Distylium Blue Cascade has become a cherished member of my garden, offering year-round beauty with minimal upkeep. Its cascading form, lush green foliage, and easygoing nature make it a perfect choice for both novice and experienced gardeners alike. So, if you're looking for a low-maintenance shrub that adds a touch of elegance to your landscape, give the Blue Cascade Distylium a try. You won't be disappointed.